Hello and welcome. Today we will be reviewing the international carry-on case made by Halliburton. When I was selecting the premium aluminium suitcase, I think everybody would agree that the first name that comes into your minds is Rimowa. So I did a small research and let me show you what I've got.
Some say the Rimowa locks and the suitcase design are iconic. But wait.
You'll never find your backpack now.
Can you spot it? What about now?
This is horrible. I need your help to find backpack.
Same, but different. But still same.
Moving on to the locks, watch closely and don't blink or you'll miss it.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And then, boom.
The locks on Rimowa is actually made from a plastic, so they fail. A lot. Now let's see how Rimowa is suggesting solving this.
If your suitcase gets stuck, hold the corner next to the wheel, then lift the top shell. If an issue with your locks persists, please reach out to us by phone, in store or at Rimowa.com for further assistance.
Looks insane for this price, isn't it? Let's see what other YouTube reviewers said about Rimowa.
The things that I don't like about this suitcase.
Delicate clothing items. Sometimes they got caught in the closure mechanism and were damaged. As you can see, another issue.
Velcro
strip.
Velcro, so weak. Velcro part because it is a very weak. Is this suitcase really worth it? And honestly, no, it depends.
If you're in the market today, I think it's a very different scenario because now you're talking $1,400, over $1,400 pre-tax. I don't know, $1,400 for me, if you're flush with cash, yeah, go ahead, do it.
But no matter what, you still got to look at how much it costs.
I don't know if it's worth it.
I don't think it would be fair or it would be, applicable for me to say that this is worth the price.
Would I recommend that you get this Rimowa or any Rimowa suitcase? My answer is no. I mean, to be honest,
you can find some other startup brand or OA luggage. There are many other options.
Getting back to Halliburton case, let's unpack it. Some nice branding here. Taking this out. Let's begin our review with the discussion of the design elements they put in this suitcase, which really make it unique. So the first one will be definitely the locks, the chrome metal locks. Apart from being iconic design for this brand, they look really cool, and this is the attention grabber of this suitcase for me personally. The second one is the gray plastic part. This is rather controversial one because somebody likes it, somebody hates it. There is no middle ground there, but still, the way you feel about it make this design really cool because it awakens some feels in you, and this is great. The third part is the handle. The way they design it, it's very unique. This oval shape they made here, I've got some retro vibes when I look at it, and also it got the dark brown glossy finish, which really matches the colors of the other parts of this suitcase, and I really think it's very cool. last one feature, it's rather hidden. It's the handle on the bottom of this suitcase. When you handle your suitcase like that, this is the special place where you can put your hands for your convenience and your comfort, and this is really cool. I've never seen anybody done this before. So yeah, this is really great. And in the meantime, let's take a look at the history of the Halliburton brand.
Everything starts with a guy named Erle Palmer Halliburton in 1919 in Texas.
He started the company, which later became the world's largest all-service company, having divisions in over 70 countries and employing over 55,000 people, now known as Halliburton Company. You know, the exact same Halliburton which dominated the industry, hired Dick Cheney as the CEO, which then became the infamous VP of the USA after being a US Secretary of Defense, started the war in Iraq, and then gave the multi-billion government contracts to Halliburton. But wait, let's rewind back for a bit. Before all of that, Erle Palmer Halliburton expanded company almost at the speed of light, which called Texas all boom. In 1938, Erle invented the world-famous aluminum case to withstand the rugged travel through Texas all fields. This was shortly followed by the establishment of a company named Halliburton Cases. And then, the moon happened.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Why is that matters? Well, because of this case, which brought to Earth first moon samples, and that changed the world. Forever. Fast forward 30 years, and Zero Halliburton won the competition among the companies bearing Erle's name. Zero Halliburton was the first to enter the US government. I bet you did know that the US nuclear football is a modified Zero Halliburton briefcase. Let's be real, you can't beat that with a rail car-inspired design, Rimowa. And then, something incredible happened. Hollywood created an image of the briefcase in your mind, which the protagonist or antagonist used to carry the most important thing in the entire movie. Depending on the movie, it will be either money, a bomb, or a top-secret document. The picture you imagine with Hollywood's help is the Zero Halliburton case. Don't believe me? These are only the most obvious examples of famous movie screenshots you can easily find online. And now, once you know brand's heritage, I suggest we continue our review of the Zero Halliburton International carry-on case.
Let's continue with the wheels. As you've seen previously, this suitcase really glides and spins super easily. This is the internal development of the Zero Halliburton. They put metal bearings on it, so it rides really smoothly, not only on the flat surface, but on uneven surface as well, such as carpet, such as asphalt, and literally everywhere I've taken this suitcase to, it glided like super easily, and it was super satisfying feeling. Basically, most of the people say that the wheels are the #1 reason they want to upgrade their suitcase to the more premium model. So yeah, box checked. Let's take a closer look at the locks. Apart from looking really cool, they are also metal, which means super durable. And the part that you could not, I think, feel through the video, but I will do my best to try to give you the understanding. They've got really cool sounds when you open it. Just listen to that. This is such a satisfying sound. It really reminds me of the old school attaché briefcases that my parents had, and I don't know, this is like child's memory unlocked when my father and my grandfather got their briefcase, and the sounds when they open it, it's really this suitcase reminds me of it. Just take a listen. This is, guys, this is so satisfying. I cannot really emphasize how it is satisfying. You need to try it yourself. It's way above any other suitcase manufacturer. They're this suitcase, because these locks are truly great. They're just like fantastic. I can do it forever. Yeah, they're great. As you already know, this suitcase got 4 handles. One is on the bottom, 2 on the sides, and 1 telescopic handle. The handles that are on the sides, they've got the gray leather finish, but they also got some kind of the mechanism that make them retract back when you pull them out. I think this is kind of over-engineering from the Zero Halliburton part, but still this is cool. And for the telescopic handle, it got simultaneously the strength and the weakness in there. The strength definitely is the design and the finish. This is really cool and unique shape. It's really satisfying to handle. But the weakness is the thing that this handle is slightly wobbly. So this is definitely better than most of the suitcase, but it's not just up to my liking. I would like it to be much more sturdier. So yeah, this is the handles edge here. Let's move on to the inside of this suitcase. As you can see, on the 2 sides there is a different holding compartment situation, which literally gives you the flexibility, and it will literally prevent your thing to fall out when you will try to close this suitcase. So yeah, I think it's much better than the competition, like way above. Also, I really like this cool rubber seal. It really contrasts to the color of this suitcase, and it matches the color of the external accessories. So yeah, this is the internal design. Let's compare it directly to Rimowa. What I think Rimowa does much better is the telescopic handle. It's just sturdier, and the global presence. I think the fact that the Rimowa have shops literally in any major city of the world is a huge benefit for the potential customer. And what I think the Zero Halliburton does better is definitely the locks. They are like way above all the competition, to be fair. The brand, the heritage, and clearly the design that stands out among other manufacturers. Overall, would I recommend the Zero Halliburton International Carry-On Case? You need to understand that at this price point you are clearly paying the premium for the price. To be fair, the aluminium is the worst material for the suitcase, since, I don't know, humanity invented plastic. Because plastic is more lightweight, it's more durable, it's more cheap. As you can see on mine, I already got some dents, so this is inevitably would happen to you. Also, aluminium cases are rather heavy, and they're not that durable. They will scratch, they will have dents, they might have cracks if this is a low quality aluminium case, and also it might have some chips. So if you are a rational customer, definitely you should avoid the aluminium cases. You should go straight away and buy Samsonite, which are, I don't know, leaders in the plastic suitcases. They're lightweight, they're durable, they're fair at the price. So yeah, it will last you lifetime, unlike the aluminium case. I don't really think that it will survive 5 or 10 years of intense traveling. It will literally look like shit. So no, that's definitely, I would recommend you to avoid aluminium cases if you're a rational customer. But you're here to flex. You want your suitcase to be better than other people's suitcases at the airport, railway station, bus stations, like whatever. You just want to make a statement, and you definitely will with the Zero Halliburton International Carry-On Case. It checked all the boxes, it got the premium materials, it's got super unique, distinctive look, it's got the premium feeling, it rolls smoothly, it just ticks all the boxes. It's the perfect choice. Also, it's at the moment slightly cheaper than Rimowa or Tumi, which is the great things to have. So yeah, this is the perfect value for your money. I will definitely recommend you buying one. I purchased this for my own money. It's not the promotional item or anything like that. I'm really happy with it, and I will recommend to everybody who wants to buy the premium suitcase. It's great. That's it, guys. Thank you for your time. Please share your thoughts in the comments below about Zero Halliburton carry-on case. Maybe you've got your own experience. Maybe you own some Rimowa or Tsumi. Please let me know. And have a good night. Thank you. Bye.